Take care of me. Talk all day, then at night, falling deep. Emotional roller coaster.
Hi guys, it's me, Prettywitty77, coming to you guys again with another Transition Chronicles video. I guess this was gonna be really cute and short. This is a braid out. If y'all watched my last Chronicles, if you haven't already, I'm gonna put the link above and in the description box. But I had a problem with blending my hair and me trying not to cut it when it didn't look like my natural hair. And this braid out kind of loosely resembles a twist out. I mean, I feel like at this point there's no way I can get rid of frizz. Frizz is like that annoying friend that you know you have, but you just can't get rid of her. So you just like, you know, okay girl, you know, okay girl. But yeah, I bought some perm rods and a little bit smaller to hold the ends. The ones I had before, they were a little bit bigger, so I feel like the curls hold a little tighter on the end. This one just showing out, y'all, showing out for the camera. But basically, yeah, I'm okay with my twist outs and braid outs right now. The only thing is I feel like they so flat, and I didn't take this into consideration because I feel like my natural hair would be so much thicker, so I have to fluff a lot, or if I don't want to fluff a lot, I basically have to take it down when it's almost dry but not all the way dry, because when it's almost dry then it really sets and it becomes super defined and flat. But if it's damp, then it'll kind of freeze up a little bit and kind of give me a bigger look. Kind of welcoming frizz at this point, you know, sips tea. But at this point I feel like what I'm doing the most in my transition now is like stalking people's Instagram pages who I feel like hair textures like look similar to mine or reminds me of mine. So if you got 1 million followers, or if you got like 300 followers and you got a hair page and I like your hair, I'm gonna be liking your pictures, I'm gonna be commenting because I found me a curl twin. What is her name? I think it's Curly Combos. Oh, if you're watching, girl, hey. But that's kind of where I am now. I'm kind of just like at this stalking point for coming obsessed, because you know people say when you at the point when you watch a whole bunch of Big Chop videos, then it's like the end is coming near. But I feel like I watched a lot of Big Chop videos months ago. I'm off that jet. I'm on another jet, and I'm kind of just like looking into people's hairs and like strolling people's page, like how does it look when it's wet, how does it look when it's dry, and you know, yeah, I'm a stalker right now. So yeah, I'm holding strong, kind of getting used to. I bought this to kind of make sure, because this was a lot flatter, so I'm trying to, oh, I feel like a real naturalista right now with my pig. Because I always used to see girls do this and be like, I wonder how that feels. But I noticed when I do that, it gets more volume, but it also starts to get shorter. So it gets bigger, but it gets shorter. I don't really know how to feel about that, but I'm, you know, just trying to accept this as it comes to me. So yeah, that's basically where I am in my transition at this point. I feel like I am, let me get the correct amount of years and months, hold on. So tomorrow I will be 2 years, 1 month and a week into my transition. This is what I'm working with, sis. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this Transition Chronicles, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you guys for tuning in to this special emotional roller coaster Chronicles. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm going to try to put these out as my feelings come, bad, good, the ugly. This is where I am now. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.